I'm Crystal, and I got started off with LadyBoss August of 2017. I saw her video on Facebook. She was jumping on a trampoline, and I had been following her I'd followed her for a little over a year, and at that time it was still tool time, and then it turned into LadyBoss. And finally, after a year and a half or so of following her, I decided to join because I was just fed up, and I was ashamed of myself, and I was depressed, and just putting myself down. And then I decided to finally do something about it and make the change, and signed up for the lifetime membership and haven't looked back twice.
Awesome.
Yeah.
That's so cool. So I'm sure a lot's happened, but what's been your breakthrough moment or moments, and what's it look like?
I just have a newfound confidence. I'm more confident than I ever have before. I love myself. I say my positive affirmations, and my husband even tells me that he's seen a change in me, and I've lost 40 pounds, and I'm just like the happiest I've ever been.
Super cool.
Yeah.
So compared to, well, let me ask you this, where do you think you'd be today if you hadn't decided to jump in and join LadyBoss?
Probably still depressed, and probably still ashamed of myself, and I would probably just be where I was before, just overweight and depressed, and I don't know where I would be. I would still be lost if it wasn't for this program.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's really cool. So what would you say to someone who hasn't taken that jump, and maybe they're sitting out there on their sofa feeling like junk and not knowing what the next step is, and not knowing if LadyBoss is going to do anything for them, or just take their money and run? Like, what would you say to someone who is stuck in that place and maybe seeing this and needs that little push?
I would just say, go all in and just make it happen. Take that step, get out of your comfort zone, and do something for yourself. This isn't for anyone else. This is strictly for you, and you have to make that change, and just get out there and make it happen, and you will love yourself more, and you will thank yourself in the end. Make it happen today. Don't make it happen 2 months from now. Just make it happen today.
Yeah. What's been the most fun? Because I know you've done a lot of work. What's been fun?
All the women that I've met in this program, they're amazing. They're very supportive and encouraging, and I just like that we feel empowered and we can do anything. And I just love the group of women and the support and encouragement.